I'm Naidoo, and on behalf of Northmead Secondary School, we'd like to thank SAICI for giving us this opportunity to show off our young engineering skills along with many brilliant learners of our schools. With this, we would like to share our views and opinions on an urgent problem concerning the community that we would like to assist in. This community problem has been ongoing for 2 to 3 years, and we, learners of Northmead, would like our idea to be taken into consideration.
Okay, so the urgent community scenario is the devastation of the 2022 floods. But Mother Nature is not to blame. Rather, it was the fault of our municipality and government for not implementing effective stormwater drain systems to get rid of runoff from heavy rains and prevent flooding. One of the reasons our stormwater drains were so ineffective is because of the pollution that clogs the drainage pipes, preventing water from reaching lakes and rivers. Remember that sewage and stormwater drains are two different systems. And because of these floods, the stormwater drains were left either non-effective or non-functional. We, the students of Northmead, have come up with a brilliant solution to fix this issue. To show how to prevent this, we will be building a working model of a stormwater drainage system with improvements.
I'm Kellyn, an assisted builder in the model. So one of the main concerns that came with this was the amount of pollution that has been traveling in stormwater drains, causing pollution in lakes and mainly clogging the systems, making it extremely hard for water to pass through, which ends up causing a flood in the area, which damages a lot of infrastructure in the community, especially housing below road level.
Hi, I'm Yuvania. With this in mind, we have come up with a solution to have the pollution removed before it enters the stormwater drainage pipes, and with our solution, an extra service for employment can be created. As you see the diagram on screen, our solution is as follows. Since roads have a circular surface, the water would follow to the side of the road, and all roads do have a slight raise longitudinally. The water is able to flow down towards the stormwater drains. So if we look at the diagram, we may see that water flows from point A down the road to point B, towards the stormwater drain. This stormwater drain will have a removable top to allow for maintenance, explained later on.
Now, when the water does flow through the stormwater drain, it will flow through a metal frame structure that will be able to catch any pollution within the water and will act as a water filter system. This metal structure will filter out two types of dirt, large pollution particles and smaller pollution particles. With this system, water sent to lakes and sanitation plants would have little to no pollution. For maintenance, an extra job can be created for someone to clean the structure after a period of time. So, with the openable top, the use of a miniature crane as well as a dump truck can be used to pick up the metal structure and tip it into a truck to empty.
So one of the community issues we have been experiencing was that our stormwater drains have been either getting clogged or have been damaged due to the heavy rainfall. Therefore, we have come up with a solution to fix this. Our solution works as follows. The heavy rain water that has been gushing out on the road could therefore travel along the pavement, therefore leading to the stormwater drain. As you can see, these are small guard pieces that we have placed here to prevent people from falling in or causing injury.
Now, as the water enters the chamber, we have installed two meshes. Firstly, the first mesh is of bigger size to filter out any pieces of dirt that are large. Secondly, below that, we have a smaller size to filter out any packets like plastic packets that you find at shops or chips packets and sweets packets. Then, after it will continue down this pipe here, and we have put this here to represent as a body of water, for example a river or lake, that would go to a purification plant. Now back to the chamber over here. As you can see, what we have designed is, if the pollution becomes too much, say every 2 weeks, we have designated a miniature crane to be able to come and lift us up out of the chamber and take out the dirt and put it back safely.
This placing back of the mesh, we could have the stormwater drain top be placed back, and the system would be clean and ready to go for the next 2 weeks. To illustrate how our model works, we'd would be if we have a large cup of water with some dirt particles in it to represent packets as well as plastics. So if we had to pour the water down the road, as you can see, it does filter out through, therefore stopping dirt from entering the stormwater drain as well as stopping it in the mesh. Therefore the water that comes down the pipe here is clean.